Sugar-free keto muffins. The exact recipe for this is below in the comments section. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to cook indirect. And I've got half a cup of butter, softened, room temperature. Powdered erythritol. We're just going to cream this. 4 eggs. I'm going to add them in one at a time. Going to add in my vanilla. And pumpkin puree. Not pumpkin pie filling, but pumpkin puree. And I'm going to put my spices in. I've got cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and some baking powder, and some salt. Nutmeg, powdered ginger, and baking powder. We'll whiz this up. 1.5 cups of sifted almond flour, and you have to sift it. And 1/3 cup of coconut flour. And we'll whip that up. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of sweet coconut oil. This is going to make 12 muffins. Today I'm going to be using these little silicone muffin cups. They worked really great. And we'll just spoon it evenly into each muffin cup. There we go, that's pretty even. Now, if you want, you could add carrot. This is grated carrot. We could add that in if you like, almost like a carrot cake muffin. I didn't put it in today. This is powdered erythritol and cinnamon. I'm going to put that on the top. There you go. There's a dozen sugar-free keto pumpkin muffins. My grill is up to 350 degrees exactly. I've got heat on this side, and nothing in the center. So I'm going to put this on the center. I'm going to go for 20 minutes, but I'm going to check it in about 10 and rotate it if I need to. There we go. Yummy pumpkin muffins. Sugar-free, keto-friendly. I rotated the tray after 10 minutes. I went for a total of 20 minutes, and I put a toothpick in to make sure that it came out clean. I let it sit for 10 minutes to cool down. There's 11 of them. These little silicone molds worked out really well. See, they just pop right out. This is cream cheese frosting. I'll put the recipe for this below. It's really low carb too. I like a little bit on the top. Oh, it smells just like pumpkin pie. Can you believe that's only 2 net carbs? Sugar-free keto pumpkin muffins. Thanks for watching.